Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Menace Rides. We haven't done a bike in a while. I've just got some sort of an adventure F650 GS twin spark. Yep, that's what we're dealing with. Yeah, so stay tuned. In this episode we're going to do a rundown over this bike, top to bottom, have a look at what we've purchased and sort of decide from there what we're going to do with this rig. So like I said to you, we've got a BMW F650 GS. I've got to remember this, but I think, well, it's the model series between 2004 and 2007. I'm not too sure what I'm sitting with here. I'll have to double check the paperwork. Could be a 2005 if I remember correctly. Anywho, it makes no difference. It's been stood for a long time. I bought it from a salvage auction place, and I could just tell when I went to go pick it up that it has been standing for a long time. It's now been stood in my barn garage space for just over a year and a half. So I need to get like into it. I must be honest, when I bought it, it wasn't in the greatest position, so my motivation levels like went down to want to get stuck into this. But since then, I fixed up the Triumph, I fixed up an R1. I had a lot of things going at the time, and at the moment we're waiting on stuff for the Mercedes-Benz. So yeah, if you haven't seen that, we are busy building a Mercedes-Benz C250 AMG. Anyway, back to the BMW. Let's have a look at what we got. So, like I said, it's the model series between the 2004 and 2007. If I am correct, this is pretty much how we got it, guys. That's what it looks like. The rear swing arm, the rear wheel, the rear brake disc looks good. Same with the front. I think the wheels and that's going to clean up pretty nice. Our fork seals need doing, maybe a little bit of a polish there. They've got some pitting. This one seems better, that one seems dry. Also again, a little bit of pitting. Guys, like I said, this bike's in a bit of a rough state. It was a stolen recovered. I mean, somebody had an adventure with it, obviously. Yeah, not too great there. That grip could be replaced. It doesn't even turn, it's all stuck. That's our clock edge. I removed the battery so I could put it on charge. Yeah, this should we even look in here? That's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad. I only need three things, guys: fuel, compression, and spark, and it must be on timing, obviously. But if I can get those three things out of this, maybe it could be a good bike. I mean, yes, it's rough around the edges. It's not brand new. There's been a lot of, somebody decided it was a good idea to drill a hole here. Somebody decided it was a better idea to drill two here. What's that? That's, I don't know. Yeah, we're missing an indicator, but it's broken on the housing, so that's what's happening there. Does this open? Okay. Seat's pretty dusty, dirty, proper dirty. So, guys, if you want to see more on this build and you're interested in watching us try and revive this BMW F650 GS twin spark, by the way, this is the twin spark series, the first of the twin spark motors. How do I know that? Because it says 2 spark. Okay, so it's a 2 spark. not a twin spark, it's a 2-spark for you BMW guys. Yeah, that says the same. Again, very dirty bike, guys. It has been stood for, possibly hasn't started for over 2-3 years. Okay, guys, so that's a new project on the way. I'm going to be stripping on it and that, but guys, let me know if this is something you're interested in watching. You know what, I'm going to film it anyway. You guys put it in the comments below. Tell me what you think of this bike. I've never ridden one. Tell me, you know, what I should know about them, possibly bad points and common failure points. If you know something, I'll obviously be doing a little bit of research on it while I'm building it. But if you guys know something that'll help me out, get a rate and maybe we can build this thing together. Like, share, subscribe, Motorrad.